communications and information processing, code is a system of rules to convert information such as letter, word, sound, image, or gesture into another form, sometimes shortened or secret for communication through a communication channel or storage in a storage medium. Did you know that codes were already around since ancient times? A code is a symbolic way to represent an information. In qualitative inquiry, a code is most often a word or short phrase symbolically assigned as summative, salient, essence language-based, or visual data. So during the ancient times, codes were already used by humans. Hieroglyphics or sacred writings were codes used by the Romans. Next is Hamming code. It is an error correction system that can detect and correct errors when data is stored or transmitted. It requires adding additional parity bits with the data. It is commonly used in error correction code or ECC RAM. It's named after its inventor, Richard W. Hamming. So while in coding theory, the repetition code is one of the most basic error-correcting codes. In order to transmit a message over a noisy channel that may corrupt the transmission in a few places, so the idea of the repetition code is just to repeat the message itself. Next is encoding and decoding. So it is used in many forms of communications, including computing, data communications, programming, digital electronics, and human communication. These two processes involve changing the format of content for optimal transmission of storage. Next is a logic gate. It is a device that acts as a building block for digital circuits. They perform basic logical functions that are fundamental to digital circuits. Most electronic devices we use today will have some form of logic gates in them. For example, logics can be used in technologies such as smartphones, tablets, or within memory devices.
Yes, madam?
I want a justice.
Oh, I know what to do.
Okay, inform her that I will first get the information, but since this is a private, let's communicate through social media. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am SPO3 John Villanueva, willing to help your situation. And all you have to do is to answer all my questions and only the truth. So let's begin. Before the incident happened, what was your dad's last word?
There's no last words about him. He just called me in that day without any sounds, but one sound that pushed me for the justice is a gunshot.
A gunshot? But according to my investigation, there's no proof for this.
After the gunshot, there's a link that Dad said, and I'm 100% assured that the justice is behind on this link.
May you send the link to me?
Yes, of course, but I tried to open the link. It seems only black with something on it.
We will fix this right away. That's all for now. And thank you for your honesty, and we will inform you ASAP. Hello, Lore. There's a link to it. Can you please open it and send it to me?
Okay. Okay, there's only 3 ways to open this link. It's only I.E.AB. I think we tackled this before.
Yes, what can I do for you?
Can you please help me to fix this? I forgot how to open this.
Yes, it's a part of a basic logic gates. OMG, I can't believe you. Forgot this? It's an electronic circuit. Only if all of its inputs are high, a dot is used to show the AND operation. And bear in mind that this dot is sometimes omitted I, E, A, B, so the code for that is A and D.
Alright, I forgot. Thanks for the recap knowledge. A and D. What is this? It's like a files that tells some information.
Hi Lori, what can I do for
Please
you?
help me to this.
Wow. Alright, so let me see what I can do. So based on the link, I am 100% sure that it is a binary code, or also known as Techopedia, which is a system of representing numbers, letters, commands, images, and sounds using only two symbols, which is typically 0 and 1. So wait a moment, I'll just decipher this. In this instance, we can conclude that there are two processes, encoding and decoding. Encoding is a process of converting the characters to integers, which is 1 or 2, and decoding is the process of converting the integers back to characters. And currently, I am doing the decoding process. Hello Laura, are you still there?
Thank you, Cal, for this.
Alright, so I'm done, and I'm sending it back to you now. Just check it.
But what is this? The error detection? Oh, I remember it's called the process of repetition and Hamming code. The techniques of this is R.W.Hamming. First, recall that all bits position that are power of 2 E.G. and according to our class, if the receiver did not get the correct message, there must be an error in this message. So this is the solving process for this code. I will use the Hamming code P7, P6, P5, P4, D3, P2, P1. The only number that gives is 1101. So the code for this process is 1104121. Guys, finally.
According to the statement, the father was not dead just because there is someone who shot him, but rather he died because of anxiety and depression. In conclusion, learning to code can positively affect you in all your life aspects. What's best is to give you a renowned perspective to approach life from a different light. Coding is a skill just like any other. The more proficient you become in it, the better you feel about yourself. We believe that all other coding benefits will come second to the feeling you'll experience after you master the skills. So how are you going to learn it? It is irrelevant for as long as you're committed to it.